Hey guys, my name is Dio Shotit and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of being in this channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification button so whenever I post videos like this, you'll be the first person to see it. So many of us has been using Zoom, Google Meet to do our major meetings. So today I'm going to be introducing to you WhatsApp. Do you know you can use WhatsApp to do your meetings and share slides and share videos and play different kind of templates on your WhatsApp meeting? Now follow me. I'm going to show you how to use OBS with WhatsApp. So first of all, head onto your browser, download WhatsApp. Take note of this. Make sure you download WhatsApp from this website you're seeing here, whatsapp.com/download. Because if you download WhatsApp from any other website, it may not work. Then you head onto your browser and you search for DroneCam virtual output. After searching for DroneCam virtual output, you click the first link on the website. Then you come here that you have assist. You download DroneCam driver, then DroneCam OBS virtual output. After downloading them, you come to your file manager. You installed both applications you just download, which is this and this. So you need to head on to WhatsApp now. You click settings where you have videos and voice. You click that. Okay. You select the DroneCam you just download. Then you select your input, any input you have. So I'm using this YU7 microphone, which you're listening to right now. After this, you head on to your OBS. So I'm using my church service to make this tutorial, which is Altar of Worship Ministries. So head on to tools. Here you have DroneCam. You activate it. After activating it, you go back to WhatsApp. Then you start the call. You click start call. So automatically you have the field inside your WhatsApp call. What you need to do is to click the link, or you can add people if you want to. So I'm going to add myself, add to call. So I'm going to add myself. So as you can see, I'm already on the live. I'm watching the live feed from my OBS, right? So I hope you guys understood the process. I hope you guys understood everything that I've done. So if you find this video helpful, please do it to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so whenever I post videos like this,